So you got to check if people have blocked you. In the case that people have blocked you, you may actually contact them and actually check if that specific person could unblock you. Possibly. And then you may send the message again. You may also check if you have that specific user's account deactivated, because once that user's account is deactivated, you may also not be able to send a message to him or her. And in order for you to send a message to him or her, you have to have them reactivate their account so that they may be able to use the account, and you may be able to send a message and fix the problem. Next, you actually have to make sure that you have Instagram updated through your App Store. So search for Instagram right here and make sure that you have Instagram already updated. In this case, I already have my Instagram application updated already, so I don't have to do the trouble and update this specific application. And once you have all of those points done, you may also reinstall the application by actually removing the app and, of course, deleting the app permanently from your phone and actually reinstalling the application from the Apple App Store or Android Play Store, and basically just uninstalling and reinstalling the application so that it may run properly and smoothly once more. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. This has been How to Web, and that is how to fix Instagram DM problem. Thinking guys are watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Today, let's learn how to fix Instagram DM problem, or why you are not able, or rather being able to be sending messages on Instagram, or even receiving messages on Instagram. Okay, so first of all, what you need to check is if you are connected into an internet connection. So make sure you are entering, or rather connected onto a local internet connection right here. And if you are already connected, you could actually check if you have a problem with your internet connection by actually disabling that. And if you have a cellular data connection available, you may enable that right now. And maybe check if it's a connection problem with your internet service provider. And of course, if that doesn't work and the problems still persist, you could actually check if the user you are trying to send a message has blocked you, because that could be a problem. People may block you so that you may not be able to send any message anymore.